All right, we just got to our second stop. It's the first official Big Haul stop, and guess what's coming out? Ba-choong! It's our map. We get to add a sticker. But where are we?
All right, let's see what states we have left here on our travel. This is our RV travel map. What state do you think we're going to be adding next?
There's going to be a couple of clues in the video. Look at that cute little sign. Little Beaver State Park. Almost heaven. Thank you, dear. It's right here. Yep. Yep, good. This is pretty. Look, it looks so cute. The camera looks so cute. Okay. I'm sorry.
We're going to be doing some marinated grilled chicken for dinner. We're using our Moore's teriyaki marinade, which we absolutely love.
Yes, we do.
Some chicken thighs and chicken tendies. And we'll serve those over some brown jasmine rice, I believe.
Yes,
And some steamed veggies.
I'm hungry.
I am getting hungry too.
But this is our first cook on the Big Haul.
This is our very first cook for the new Big Haul.
Yes. And look at how pretty our view is.
Yep. We got a great view. It's nice and quiet.
It is quiet.
It's a beautiful little state park here.
Yes, it is. And it has a cute name. I wonder if there's any beavers that we're going to be able to like see.
I hope there are.
I hope so too.
For you anyway.
Thanks, babe.
All right, so this is our first cook out here on our fall Big Haul, and it's just going to be really simple. So we have some chicken tendies and boneless, skinless thighs in there that's been marinated in the Moore's brand teriyaki marinade. It's one of our favorites.
Yeah.
So good. You only need to marinate it for a half hour, but we've been marinating ours for about an hour, and it's excellent. And the way we like to serve this is Abby usually cooks rice. We're going to use, I think it's jasmine brown rice tonight.
No, we're going to be using the coconut jasmine tonight.
Okay, coconut jasmine,
Yes.
but that's that Ben's rice that Abby really likes. Yes. That's in a microwave for 90 seconds.
Yep.
And it's delicious. And I'll cut this up We'll serve that on the rice, and then she's gonna steam some either sweet peas or lima beans.
I'm gonna go with the peas.
Yeah, and it's really good. Now, when we do this at home, I usually toast sesame seeds and put it on top, but we're out here camping. I didn't bring sesame seeds, but just saying that toasted sesame seeds on top of all this is really great.
Yes.
All right, so we've got the little Weber here nice and hot, and we're gonna use the grill grates. We got them oiled, so we're ready to go.
I'm excited. It smells.
It's gonna be good. That is good stuff right there, served over rice. For reals. I always start a timer so I know how long the chicken's been cooking, but I got my little thermopop here. We'll use that to make sure we temp it good. That's looking good. Look at those grill marks. It's a thing of beauty.
Look how cute the chili pepper lights are.
Oh yeah, they're wonderful. So there's our marinated grilled chicken. It's always super delicious. Actually, I haven't even tried it. Let's take this little end piece. So good.
It's delicious, yeah.
Here's Abby's rice. Coconut jasmine, Ben's original. Abby's got the game going on over there, so I think she's going to pause it so we don't get any kind of copyright. And then steamed sweet peas.
Yum.
So just make you a bed of rice, your choice of rice. Chop the chicken up, put it on top, put some vegetables with it. And we actually said earlier we didn't have any sesame seeds, and we lied because we forgot that we had these in the pantry.
Yes.
But these are actually better toasted, so just keep that in mind.
It's a tremendous difference toasted.
It really brings out the flavor of the sesame when you toast it. So just saying, they should be toasted. But we'll shake a little bit on there because it's nice having the sesame seeds on top.
Yes.
So that's going to be our meal. We'll show you what one of our plates look like once we get it together.
It smells so good, and I'm hungry.
All right, get in here and make your plate because I'm ready to eat.
Agreed.
All right, so there's the A-Bomb barbecue for tonight. Our marinated chicken cut up. We got this one is the chicken thigh over our coconut jasmine rice and our sweet peas right there. Got a few sesame seeds on it, salt and pepper, delicious. I like to take a little bit of the Batchin's Japanese barbecue sauce and drizzle a little bit on top of that for some extra sauce, and it is just absolutely delicious. So this is a great meal. We're gonna go enjoy our dinner and watch some baseball.